Okay. When you put the thumb drive in, what you're going to see is if you hit F12 for most motherboards, you get a boot option where you can select, or a boot menu where you can select what drive to start from. Usually you want to start with this one instead of the Windows Boot Manager. Some motherboards don't have that. In that case, I got to go through the BIOS and then change the boot order. So kind of do something like that, and then save and exit. Now what you'll see here is that the install will happen, but you don't have to actually do anything. You can walk away from your computer and then come back later after this is all finished. Okay, at this point it wants you to set a password. I usually don't set any password, then when the reboot happens it'll just automatically log you in. Later, if you want, you can change the login with maybe your own account if you have one. Okay, kind of click through all of this. Overclock.load.run. Redirect you to my journal. Control-Shift-L. Here's my automation scripts. Now we're going to clean up Windows. First thing is to do the update. Open up PowerShell. Make sure to run it as administrator. When the script is finished, it'll trigger a reboot. Right now, if you want to, you can remove your thumb drive. Alright, let's go back to my page. Now we want to uninstall packages. You can see all the stuff that's installed here. It's quite a bit. Open up PowerShell, run as administrator. Paste that one line. This is for uninstall packages. You can see it starts to go down a list and remove a bunch of these. Alright. Then I run this one to disable services. Go to the task manager and take a look. There are all of these services that are running kind of in the background. We're going to see if we can reduce some of these. Okay, that's kind of taking some of those down. The rest are kind of critical. Now I install packages. This right now only installs the latest Nvidia drivers, but later I'll probably add different things. See, it's downloading 511.23. Now I'll install the packages that I want to install. This installs things like Steam. It will install CPU-Z and hardware info. There's Steam. It's installing CPU-Z. Hardware info. Usually at this point, I will use Steam to install 3D Mark and Precision for my graphics card. Usually set this to start when the OS starts. And I wanted 3D Mark to start. So what I did is in my script create a shortcut that if you type, if you hit the Windows R key, type shell startup, take a look at your startup folder. My script ended up copying this, so that way when Windows starts, 3D Mark will start. So let me do a reboot, and we can see if everything works. Hopefully Precision and 3D Mark will start when the computer first logs in. My custom install also changed out my desktop. You can kind of see that, the desktop image in the background. Run a quick test, make sure everything's working. I'll probably make more changes to the script, improve it over time. This is kind of my first swag at it. If there's any thoughts, suggestions, leave it in the comments. Maybe what I can do is try to incorporate them over time. If you find this useful, let me know as well. I think that's about it. Just going to let this run. think everything is set up for me now. Thanks. Peace out.